Alright, today on the Beezy Way, we're gonna be installing the OEM 2000 taillights. 99 to 2000, but 2000 is the same exact thing as the 99, as I have said. Yeah, let's get to it. So today guys, all you're gonna need is a 8mm socket and a ratchet. If you don't got extension, just do what you're doing. I got a little screwdriver thing that could put the socket on it. Civic tail lights, easy as hell. All you gotta do, unplug them. There's one plug there, two plugs there, and that's it. And 4 8-socket screws with nuts on them, or bolts with whatever on them. I don't know how I will tell you. And then the next one would be 2 plugins also, 1 2, and 4 8mm bolts on screws, or sockets on nuts on bolt, I don't know, whatever they call. So as you get in, you're right behind the light. You unplug the not plugs but light bulbs with plugs. You just pull her out and throw them away. Let me go to this one. 1 light bulb and plug, 2 light bulb and plug, 1 screw there, 2 screw there, 3 screw there. This way I change them, look. She mash up. See 1 screw on the side, you need to know that they are screw. Look at that little bolt. Let's take this whole thing. Should come straight out.
Say going on today now?
Know what we doing today? Tail lights. Alright, let's show you how to tail light. So I already gave one a little tutorial, but I make gonna see me doing it physically. Come in. 1 2 3 4 bolts. This one already missing. I don't know why I'm missing. Easy thing. 8mm. Just get yourself a little socket and just wind them off. 2 plugins here that attach the light bulbs. You just twist them, pull them out like that, easy. And once you take them off, come on, all the ratchet and fall out. For the top light, it's 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here in this hole, and another bolt right here. Light bulb, twist, pull, twist, pull. You're not gonna I get tricked like me just now. That I get tricked. See, yeah. This is a screw right here for the light bulb. I did not know that just now, even though I changed these already. But my memory not good. Push it up. Out. So we are install them now. These just OEM 2000 tail lights. They fresh compared to them, because as you can see they're fresh compared to them. Insert it into here. Line up the hose nice and snug. Put back in the light bulbs the same way you took them out. This is the thing I was talking about. Line up. This one has it. This car not gonna, so that better. That seals up everything from water and odds protection. See this, I'm gonna put this in like, can you see? I'm just gonna feel my way around. That hole not true? Yeah.
How you was in the time?
Awesome. Let me take a little peek. Feel around. Alright. Guide in. Like when you're breeding dogs. See there? And then you just take your bolts, screw them back in. On another episode of Traveling Without a Stomach. This fucking thing tastes good. I don't know if it was God or if it was my belly telling me. But something just time to go in there and get whatever this thing called. Put rice and bean in it. Cheese.
But it's what we are putting the headlight.
And fucking tuna.
Cheese.
And add some sauce on it. Them ideas that be coming from God on my stomach is the reasons I'm fat now. Yeah, Buster Patrick. But
That is fucking weird. Oh shit, sorry. Yeah, man.
Oh fuck.
The screw.
That is sativa. This is car. Sativa inside the car. Inside. You damn idiot. Oh, she fool. Yo, that dog there. She saying that. So.
Like the owner.
On another episode of Sativa.
And the neighbor.
Smell your hand now.
What you did? I don't look like a granny today though.
Hey, I want to say, yo, fam, what you doing wearing that frock?
I know. Now I hear you say about we go outside like that.
Ross, roll the butts, man.
You moved them?
Oh, I put them in a boy, you getting fooled up by the day. No, what the mother? Wait, this thing on? This is the part that stresses me out.
You know that though, taking the tail off things be the easiest, you know. Put back stuff now. Jesus Christ.
Anyways, whatever.
You don't got no bulbs somewhere.
It don't matter. Yeah, it's done. Let's close it. Before the camera thing. Oh, this thing stopped.
Yeah, let's hear it click now.
Alright. He's ready to put on.
Yeah, fucking garbage.
5 minutes later.
Yo, brother, what you doing?
What you doing?
Everything works on you. You don't throw it. Come into Parker's Automotive. we got everything you need. We got turtles too.
He come turbocharge.
We got turtles.
On my Instagram or that now? Let me see. You don't follow that?
Hold on, let me see. I got her snap.
See that man call me here today, you know. I didn't want no complaint from YouTube. Saying I look like some guidelines that say I look like an animal. Yeah, we are end the vlog, yeah. Busy way, you done know.